Welcome back to Car Updated, the channel where luxury, performance, and real-world value come together. Today we are experiencing one of the most refined and prestigious luxury sedans ever created, the Rolls-Royce Ghost. This car is not just transportation, it is a statement of success, craftsmanship, and absolute comfort. From the moment you see it, the Ghost makes you feel like you are stepping into a world where every detail matters and nothing is left to chance. Starting with the exterior, the front of the Rolls-Royce Ghost is instantly recognizable. The iconic Pantheon grille stands tall and confident, finished in polished metal that reflects pure elegance. Sitting proudly above it is the spirit of ecstasy, smoothly rising to welcome you every time the car starts. The slim LED headlights are sharp yet classy, giving the Ghost a modern look while maintaining its traditional luxury identity. The long hood flows smoothly, showing the powerful presence of the car without being aggressive. Moving toward the back, the design remains clean and graceful. The rear features minimalistic LED taillights, a wide stance, and subtle chrome accents that perfectly match the overall luxury theme. Every line feels intentional, smooth, and timeless, making the Ghost look just as impressive parked as it does in motion. Now stepping inside, the interior of the Rolls-Royce Ghost feels like entering a private luxury lounge. The cabin is built with the finest leather, real wood veneers, and handcrafted details everywhere you look. The dashboard is simple but extremely premium, with a digital display that blends perfectly into the classic design. The seats are incredibly soft and supportive, offering unmatched comfort whether you are driving or relaxing in the back. One of the highlights is the famous Starlight headliner, creating a magical atmosphere with tiny illuminated stars above you. The rear seats provide massive legroom, advanced climate control, and a level of silence that makes the outside world disappear. Even the doors close with a soft automatic function, reminding you that this car is built for pure ease. When it comes to performance, the Rolls-Royce Ghost delivers power in the smoothest way possible. Under the hood is a strong V12 engine that provides effortless acceleration without noise or drama. The ride quality is incredibly smooth thanks to advanced air suspension, making rough roads feel almost invisible. This car is not about speed racing, but about calm, confident power and unmatched comfort on every journey. In terms of pricing, the Rolls-Royce Ghost sits at the top of the luxury segment. It is a premium investment, with prices starting high and increasing significantly with customization options. Every Ghost can be personalized, making each one unique to its owner. My suggestion is simple: if you want ultimate comfort, prestige, and handcrafted luxury, the Rolls-Royce Ghost is one of the finest choices in the world. This car is made for those who value refinement over flash and quality over quantity. That wraps up today's review on Car Updated. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Rolls-Royce Ghost, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more luxury and performance car reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.